Hey, I got the key. What's up? You hear me? It's blood gang. One nigga Baylor B. And I'm already live on the set. Look at the police. On the set. And I make them. On the set, got him running. I gotta hit you up.
I need Oklahoma City police in the jail. The inmates have took the keys. They have an officer hostage. I need them here.
Oklahoma City Police Chief Wade Gorley says typically Oklahoma City doesn't respond to things happening in the jail.
The jail itself sits on county property, and the county sheriff is the one that is responsible for responding to incidents over there.
Chief Gorley says the sheriff's department didn't have enough staffing to get to the jail in a timely manner, so the police department stepped up. Oklahoma City police ended up shooting and killing inmate Curtis Williams after he placed the detention officer on his knees and held a knife to his throat. Now, protesters and Williams' family are demanding the resignation of the chief.
That inmate got exactly what his hand called for, because you have a knife to this man's neck, threatening his life. He's already been stabbed a couple of times. Yeah, that about sums it up, because people can sit there and say, oh, but you don't know what the officer or officers are doing to them to make them react like that. That may be true, but that's not how you go about it. If you have a grievance, you have to go through the grievance process, and that's not it. I don't care how many times inmates will sit there and say, this is our house, we live here, y'all just work here. Yeah, that's true. Y'all live there and we just work there. However, that's not your house. That's not your house. I don't care if you live there for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. Anytime somebody is controlling whether you can go or stay, whether you can use the bathroom or not, whether you can get tissue right now or not, whether you can go shop right now or not, whether you can go outside right now or not, that's not your house. And you can't win in nobody else's house. The house always wins.
see. Call out what you see. You know what it is?
Slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
Look at this. Look at this.
Left. Get in your fucking cell.
He's got enough. Call out what you see. Call out what you see. You know what it is?
Slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
Look at this.